To address the issue of the TikTok search bar not displaying videos, follow these steps. Open the TikTok application directly. You will be directed to your homepage. At the bottom, locate your profile icon and tap on it. In the upper right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to access settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find the Support and About section. Tap on the Report a Problem. In the Report a Problem section, select the relevant topic for your issue. For example, tap on Search if your problem is related to search functionality. Choose Other as the specific issue. Indicate that you need more help regarding the search bar not showing videos. If you have a screenshot of the problem, attach it by tapping on the image icon. Submit your report. Wait for TikTok's community support to respond and resolve your issue. That's the process for fixing the TikTok search bar not displaying videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.